Hello, we welcome you to Consumer Times. Today we will talk about India's Legal Metrology Act has undergone major changes in 2024. From combination packages to e-commerce regulations, these new rules are transforming how packaged goods are labeled and sold. In this comprehensive breakdown, Consumer Times explains what these changes mean for you as a consumer and how they protect your rights. Don't get caught off guard. Understand your consumer rights under the new Legal Metrology, Packaged Commodities, Amendment Rules 2023. Hello, I am your host Dr. Arun Kumar welcomes you back to Consumer Times. I am here with some major news that could change how you shop for packaged goods in India. The Legal Metrology, Packaged Commodities, Amendment, Rules, 2023, became effective from January 1, 2024, and these changes are more significant than you might think. Before we dive into the updates, let's understand what we are dealing with. The Legal Metrology Act governs how packaged commodities are measured, weighed, and labeled in India. Think of it as your shield against misleading packaging and incorrect measurements. Every time you buy anything from a packet of biscuits to a bottle of shampoo, this law is protecting you. The major changes in 2024 is the biggest game changer. The introduction of combination packages, defined as packages intended for retail sale that contain two or more individual packages or pieces of dissimilar commodities. Picture those gift hampers with different snacks, or combo packs mixing shampoo with conditioner. These now have specific labeling requirements. Similarly, group packages have been defined for similar commodities sold together, like a pack of 6 soap bars. These packages containing two or more dissimilar individual packages or pieces must now comply with enhanced transparency rules. Now e-commerce gets stricter rules. Here's something that affects millions of online shoppers. These amendments ensure that consumers ordering loose commodities through e-commerce have access to essential information about the product, its source, price, and quantity, which helps in making informed purchasing decisions. No vague product descriptions or hidden details when you are shopping online. E-commerce platforms must now provide clear information about weights, measures, and pricing for loose commodities. Think bulk rice, spices, or fruits sold by weight. First, expect clearer labeling. Multi-piece packages, combination packages, and group packages must declare their contents more transparently. Exemption from declaring USP, unit selling price, has been provided for combination package, group package and multi-piece package, but other mandatory declarations remain intact. Second, your online shopping experience should improve dramatically. Whether you are buying vegetables by the kilogram or spices in bulk, sellers must provide accurate weight, price per unit, and total cost information upfront. The government isn't just making rules, it's enforcing them. On July 15, 2024, the Government of India's Department of Consumer Affairs, Weights and Measures Unit issued further amendments, showing this is an actively evolving area of consumer protection. As consumers, here's what you should be vigilant about. Combination packages without clear individual item weights, e-commerce listings for loose commodities without unit pricing. Multi-piece packages that don't specify individual quantities, missing mandatory declarations on packaged goods, unclear or misleading weight measurements. Always check for mandatory declarations on packaged goods. For combination packages, ensure each component is clearly identified with its weight or quantity. When shopping online for loose commodities, verify that unit prices and total quantities are clearly mentioned before purchase. If you encounter violations, you can file complaints with local legal metrology officers. The Act provides for penalties against non-compliant businesses, ensuring your consumer rights are protected. These changes aren't just bureaucratic updates, they're forcing entire industries to rethink their packaging strategies. FMCG companies, e-commerce platforms, and retailers are investing heavily in compliance systems. This ultimately benefits consumers through greater transparency and accuracy. The legal metrology framework continues evolving. With India's growing e-commerce sector and increasing consumer awareness, expect more updates focusing on digital commerce and consumer protection. The government has shown it's serious about enforcing these rules. With regular amendments and active monitoring, these legal metrology amendments represent a significant victory for consumer rights in India. From clearer combination package labeling to better e-commerce transparency, these rules put more power in your hands as a consumer. Stay informed, shop smart, and remember, knowledge is your best protection against misleading packaging and pricing practices. That's all for today's Consumer Times update. Hit subscribe for more consumer rights updates, and let us know in the comments if you've noticed these changes in your shopping experience. Until next time, shop smart and stay protected.